Hey there guys, what's up? So today I had to return my mom's phone case because it didn't work. I had to return it at the mall. It didn't fit on her phone. But because I have nothing else to do today, I got a request a couple of days ago in my comments section. A guy wanted me to honk randomly at people for a video driving down the road. I'm kind of nervous about doing that, but the guy that recommended it, I don't know if I'm going to say your name right, Simon Howell, H-O-U-L-E is the last word. He makes daily vlogs too. He is actually pretty good at it, so go check out his channel. I'll have his channel link in the description. But I'm going to go do that on the way to the mall. I have my GoPro here, so maybe I can get some better footage of actual people's reaction. So I'll see you guys when I do that. Okay, so I'm on the main highway. I'm actually pretty nervous about doing this. I don't know if I should wait till I get to a more crowded area, or if I just should start beeping at people randomly. Let's do a test. No one's really that much around me, so. So that's my horn. It's kind of a whippy horn. Okay, so I'm just gonna hold the camera, I guess. And shine at people as I go by, I guess. As they go by. Here comes a guy that's passing me. I am so nervous right now. But I am about to do this. I'm keep my camera low. Okay, so I guess they didn't even look. This is torture. It's so embarrassing. I don't even know these people, but it's like so embarrassing. I'm not even gonna look. I feel like you guys aren't seeing these. Oh my god. Oh my god. I saw that she was like confused looking the other way off the side of the road. Like, what? Is he gonna look? Is he gonna look? Is he gonna look? Is he gonna... People won't look at me. I want attention. I want attention. Give me some attention. Why don't you give me attention, people? They didn't even look at me. Look at this guy. He didn't look at me either. I'm gonna end the vlog there. I think this honking idea, no one really responded to it, so it's not really that exciting, but I tried. I tried. Maybe next time someone can request something a little bit easier. But still, thank you. You gave me an idea, Simon. I'm just going to call you Simon. For giving me that idea, and it gave me my number 9 vlog, daily vlog. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. What else is there to do? Turn on the notifications to get updates for my videos, which is every day around 7 o'clock. This one might be a little bit later. And I will see you guys in another video tomorrow. Peace.